A judge is considering whether to drop the murder charge against DeJuan Hammond or give him a new trial. Hammond is accused of killing a witness at his brother's murder trial. Both sides made their arguments in court today. Marissa Alter joins us live downtown with the latest developments. Marissa?
Vicki, the issue is whether Hammond can get a fair trial moving forward. The judge declared a mistrial in April after defense attorneys learned of new evidence previously not turned over. Today, for the first time, we got some explanation about how this happened, but the defense didn't buy it. Tom Vander Rostein is no longer with the Commonwealth's Attorney's Office, but he was the original lead prosecutor on the DeJuan Hammond case. Today, he was back on the stand in his old stomping grounds about a case that's been in the courts for 5 years.
It was sloppy. I should have done better.
It was a mistake, is that correct?
The mistake in question is a 2.5-page interview from 2009 with DeJuan Hammond's then-girlfriend, Princess Bolin. In it, she claims no knowledge about the murder of Troia Shekels in Shelby Park and says Hammond was with her shopping at the time. The defense just got the interview during Hammond's recent trial. It's an omission the defense claims was intentional.
Sir, you redacted it because it was helpful to the defense and it countered the later statements you coerced her into giving, didn't you?
No, absolutely not.
Vander Rostein maintains he did redact the document, but to protect a potential witness, and did so as part of the Lloyd Hammond case.
At that point in time, I specifically remember that we were very concerned about Ms. Bolin's safety.
Why would anybody kill a witness that was going to help their case?
Vander Rostein says when it came time to file discovery in DeJuan Hammond's case, he accidentally used the doctored report instead of the original. He said he had no idea until current prosecutor Jim Lisowski contacted him in April. But defense attorneys called that explanation not credible and asked the judge to find so.
We've said all along that we think that this exculpatory, which is to say favorable evidence, was hidden from us for over 5 years, and there was no evidence introduced today that changes my opinion of that at all.
We do believe that he has given an explanation that is reasonable given the witness safety concerns in this case and the related case. I am confident that she will make the right decision, yes.
Now, the judge is expected to issue a ruling in writing by next Friday, June 20th. The defense had wanted to call Commonwealth's attorney Tom Wine, but the judge said that he wasn't relevant to this case. However, he will be called to give a testimony for an appeal if the judge does decide to drop these charges and not, or rather, if the judge decides not to drop these charges and give Hammond a new trial date. Reporting live downtown, I'm Marissa Alter, WLKY News.